Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So by the title of the video, you know what is going down. I'm going to show you how to make some aloe vera juice to put in your hair to promote hair growth. Now I've seen a lot of popular natural hair YouTubers use this in their hair, like Natural 85, Monoko. I don't remember the exact name, but I've seen a lot of them using it. I decided I want to try this. This is something I got to try because my hair is in need of some TLC, and I thought, why not try this out? They said it should help promote growth, and I need some growth. So I am going to go down to the back to get some aloe vera because the sound, and I'm going to just show you guys the background. So yeah, let's get into it. Aloe vera is a very popular plant due to its medical properties. So in today's video, I'll be exploring the benefits of the plant. I'll be giving you to be used on the hair, how to make the regimen, and the application process. Now, for benefits of aloe vera is it conditions and nourishes the scalp. It helps to prevent dandruff. It helps to promote hair growth, and it also treats dried out hair. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I started off to do after I cut the plant is to rinse them off. Now as you can see, there are some grits at the side, so basically just be careful when washing them off. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing now. After I wash them off, what I'll be doing is I'll be cutting those grits off because I do not want them on the plant when I'm so yeah, there it is. I cut them off. Now there are two methods to get out the gel, well, to get out the aloe vera. And what the first method I tried, and I realized that it was like extremely difficult because this was not a big fat plant like what I saw on the internet. Some of the aloe vera grows very big, so this is naturally grown in my backyard, so basically it wasn't that big, so I couldn't do that process of, you know, cutting off the skin on both sides because it was not necessarily big enough for that. It was giving me extreme problems. So what I resorted to, I cut all of them into the center, and then I grab a spoon and I just scrape them out, which I found that was much easier for me. Much easier, but came with another problem. Now when you are using this spoon to scrape it out, and as you can see, my hands is getting all creamy from the gel. Now this does itch a bit. I can't believe I didn't remember that because I've actually used aloe vera before, but that was like a long time in the past. So like this was major itching me, so I was just like rushing to finish this process because my hand was scratching me. I mean, it does get better over time, but if you do not want to feel any itching on your hands, what I recommend is that you can put on a gloves, or yeah, basically just put on a gloves if you don't want the itching. That's why I'm scraping off my hand like that. Okay, so there is the gel, there is the aloe vera hair growth. So there is the aloe vera after I'm company. As you can see, that is very sticky and runny, and you can see that there is also some of the leaf particles left. I was just so tired of scraping them out, so I decided to just leave it. It's not going to cause any harm, so I just left it in there since it's going to be blended out and strained and everything. So there it is in the blender. Now what I'm going to do is, okay, so when you're blending this, you do not want to make it too watery. So basically I was just taking my time just to give it some quick burst of, you know, blending. You don't want to blend it straight out because that will get watery, and you do not want to lose the actual nutrients and benefits that you can get from this aloe vera plant on your hair. So basically next what I did was to strain it. Yes, you might not know, but that is a stocking. So I'm straining my stocking, or you can use a cheesecloth. You can use whatever you want to just get it out. Alright guys, I don't know if it's me, but this feel like This feels a little bit lean. Like, should I say it like this? I don't, but I'm sorry if it looks lean. So anyways, what I'm gonna start off is to part my hair into 4 sections. Well, yeah, I'll do it into 4. Okay guys, so basically I am just combing out the hair, you know, and itching where is itching because my head be itching. So this aloe vera should be great to help stop the itching. So I'm just combing it out. So yeah, basically this concludes the video. So I hope you like it. Please to try it. If you tried it, please to comment down below that you tried it. Let me know. Yeah, cause that would be great to see. And yeah, thanks for watching. Love you guys. See you next time.